Hey, what is good guys, Aryan here. Huge props to my good friend Chaitanya for lending me his LG V30 Plus and also becoming my hand model for shooting this video. So this is actually a new style of shooting technology overview videos that I'm trying out. So you are welcome to leave your opinions in the form of comments down below, and I'm always open to constructive criticism. So anyways, I'm like super stoked to present you all this video, so let's get started. I am the LG V30 Plus. The unboxing is pretty much the usual drill. You get my charger, some boring paperwork, and you also get me inside the box, which is kind of the whole point of the purchase. But the real highlight of the box are these stunning earphones which have a solid plastic build and a braided cable that makes it a well-built pair of earphones, and they also complement the hell out of my sleek class looks. I sport a 6-inch 18:9 ratio OLED display which, combined with the Quad HD resolution of 538 ppi and LG's proprietary full vision display technology, is an absolute treat to the eyes. The pure blacks and a slightly saturated overall experience makes the screen look pretty darn good. I also have an always on display. I have an all-round glass build, which does mean fingerprint apocalypse, but also the inclusion of wireless charging. The fingerprint sensor is integrated within the power button, which Aryan thought was a pretty neat implementation. The front camera is a 5 megapixel f2.2 shooter, and I also have a dual rear camera setup. One of the cameras is a 16 megapixel f1.6 standard lens with OIS, and the other one is the 13 megapixel f1.9 wide angle lens which comes without OIS. The volume rockers are located on the left side of the device and the speaker grills are located at the bottom. I do come with a half-hearted inclusion of the face unlock feature, but where I really shine is the inclusion of the headphone jack, which has a hi-fi quad DAC to enhance your audio listening experience by a great deal. All in all, I think I'm a pretty compelling package here in India with a price tag of 45,000 rupees, with the inclusion of 128GB storage, a 3300 mAh battery, 4GB RAM and the Qualcomm 835 processor. Well, that was it about me for this video. Do like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel, as Aryan does post some pretty dope content on this channel. Peace.